GMC key fob reprogramming, also known as remote pairing or resyncing, is essential for restoring key fob functionality after events like battery replacement or system resets. GMC key fobs use radio frequency RF technology to communicate with your vehicle's body control module, BCM. When the key fob battery is replaced, the fob loses synchronization with the vehicle, requiring a resync. Modern GMC vehicles, post-2018, employ rolling code technology for enhanced security, making the process slightly more complex. While some newer 2023 Plus models offer over-the-air OTA resyncs via GM's connected services and smartphone apps like My GMC, manual resync is still common, especially after a battery change. Make sure to use the correct high-quality batteries like CR232 to avoid complications. The manual reprogramming process synchronizes the key fob's unique code with your GMC vehicle. Start by inserting the key into the ignition and turning it to the on position without starting the engine. Next, press and hold the lock button on the key fob. This initiates the pairing process. Now turn the ignition to the off position, then back to on. Repeat this cycling process multiple times. This should pair the key fob with your vehicle. This process allows you to program up to 8 key fobs. If the reprogramming doesn't work, refer to your owner's manual for vehicle-specific instructions or contact a certified mechanic.